peace and prosperity. I'm grateful to have you here watching me on my channel today, and today I'm going to talk to you about auras. And auras, what are they, how can you use an aura, and how you can actually visualize and see your aura. I'm not sure if you can or you can't, but if you're watching this video today, I'm sure that you're intrigued and you would like to know a little bit more information. So I've been seeing auras for a very long time, and I use my aura to help me with my everyday life, to boost up my energy, to protect me, protect my house, protect my family, my animals, everything. So if you're feeling really flat and you want to increase your vibration, because when you increase your vibration, good things happen. You attract more abundance in your life, you attract better relationships, communication. People get drawn to you because your auric energy that surrounds you. So I'm sitting behind a white wall because the white wall is always the easiest to look at your aura. And when I'm showing people or demonstrating how to see your aura, I always use a white wall, and I'm going to show you a few tips to how to tap in and have a look. Now, auras are everywhere because energy is everything. Energy is 100%. Everything that we do, everything we touch, there's energy effects on everything. People leave a trail of energy behind them, and sometimes that can be negative, and you don't want to have that tagged onto you. So putting protection around you is always a good thing. And as I said, cleansing your house, your car, your workplace, anything that is going to help increase your vibration and protect you and make you feel better is always a good thing. Now, you can see auras by light, you can see auras by color, you might know about your chakra points, so different colors relate to different parts of where you're going and what's happening in your life. I sometimes change my color if I want to have more of protection, more of a intuition. It depends on what's happening with you. So first of all, to increase your energy so you can see your vibrant energy, it's always the first thing is to practice your breathing. So a deep breath from your chest is always a good starter. Once you do that a couple of times, you'll be able to boost up your energy. Another way of visualizing energy coming into you is by channeling the white light through your top chakra. So imagining a channel of light coming from the universe down into you, through your head, through your heart, and out of your hands. Now, hands are probably the easiest way to find your aura, so I'm going to show you how to do that. And then once you sort of able to see your aura, you can see your auras on everything: plants, animals, people, handprints. It's like I see it without even looking for it these days. So so first of all, what you want to do is be comfortable. Now you're only going to glaze, you're not going to stare, you're not going to, don't pressure yourself in finding this, because this is a process that you'll fall in love with, okay? And when you look at your aura, you want to have a relaxed eyes. It's like if you're looking at a picture, those three-dimensional pictures, and you're looking at a picture within a picture. So first of all, I start with my hand against, not touching the wall, but against the wall, and I concentrate on the top of my fingers here. From the top of the fingers and around the base of my hand is generally where I first show people how to look at it. And breathing in, and it generates more energy. So once you have a few deep breaths, and then you can glance with your peripheral vision on the top of your fingers, around the outlines of your hands, and you'll start to see a glimmer of light. Sometimes if you move your hand gently, you'll be able to see a flicker of light outside your hands or down your arm. It's not your imagination, it's actually your aura, your energy that surrounds you. You can boost it up, you can change the color, and if you practice this, you'll be able to see this on not from around your hands. You'll be able to look in the mirror, and you'll be able to focus using those same techniques around your head, and you can boost up your energy before you go to sleep, so you have a better night's sleep. You could be able to, right, I'm going to need some energy today, I've got a busy day at work, and then you'll be able to have a much more successful day, increase your abundance. So yeah, so just concentrate on that practice of not staring but glancing, and it's a glaze more than anything. And when you see it, it's hard the first couple of times. You do need to do it a couple of times to see, yes, that's what I'm looking for, and don't stress yourself out too much if you don't see it straight away. But that's the easiest way I can demonstrate in seeing the aura. If you have any questions or would you like some more information, please send me a message below, and I hope that this helps, because it's an amazing gift to be able to see your energy and to work with your energy. And once you tap into it, it's a hard thing to let go. And how you can increase your energy and your vibration every day will definitely increase your abundance, your prosperity, your happiness, your relationships. And if you'd like to know any more information, please subscribe to my channel, because I will be putting up some more posts, hopefully once a week, on just some other tips and tools that gives you a better life. So have a great day.